Look at that yacht, bro. That yacht is absolutely nuts. One day, one day.
Aren't you hot on those, bro?
Oh, it's the style. We are profitable whilst we're at the gym. Come to the fun part. We've got all the kids. Probably go have a look at Louis. I want to get one of those little watch cases for the watch, Welcome back to the channel, team. This is a day in the life. First day in the life that I think we've done for 2026. So got a bit planned for today. Just gonna go through like the normal day that I usually go through starting off. I mean, with some cardio. Today I didn't do cardio because we did legs. But we got some breakfast, about to go get into Asia session. It's 20 minutes into Asia session right now. Do some quick reading on market AI and a little bit of technical analysis. Hopefully something's setting up. But I don't usually trade Asia, but I do like to set up for the day in Asia session. So we're gonna go do that. Later on, I'm gonna go to the gym. My jewelry guy, here's some APs. So I'm gonna go have a look at those. Hopefully one of them is a skeleton. Maybe got one of them. And then just do some shit after that. But yes, sir, let's go. I have to check out the new office too. New 2026 office. Let's go. Alright, so as always, just having a quick look at market AI. The day trading bias on XAUUSD, which is gold, is slightly bearish. And we can see that with our technical analysis as well. Price action starting to step down, creating the lower low, came back up, point of interest, and then the next thing that should happen is a lower low. So having a look at what's going to happen internally through here on the lower time frame, and then seeing whether or not price action is going to be heading down to here. Hopefully we'll be able to catch something down to there if we can find an entry. But this sort of just gives me an overall view on what should be happening throughout the day. I like to understand fundamentals because it's the driver of the market. It's where economics is going to push gold, and then we use the technicals just to find our entries. So that's pretty much me done for the day. Got these little areas marked out. Just going to set my alerts now for what I want to see, what I'm waiting for. And then throughout the day, wherever I'm going to be, I will be able to execute a trade from my phone. So there's the benefit, being able to do your analysis on here, and then wherever you are, you'll get the alerts to your phone, place a trade. So let's go.
What's up, team? We're here at World Gym Kuma, about to take Putty through. This is a push workout. I think what was one of the goals? To have just a big chest.
Just a massive chest.
It's a massive chest.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna hit some of those today. Probably some incline dumbbells and some like Smith machine movement. Then we'll get onto some of the boring isolation work, but that'll be good. Be good to push him to his limits.
Yeah, I do actually need a decrease in size around my chest, so just taking it.
Aren't you hot on those, bro?
Oh, it's the style.
Look at this guy.
Style, bro.
He's in sweatpants.
This guy doesn't know how to style himself.
So.
I love the bros facials whenever we work out.
What is that? It's a lot better.
5 to 6.
Yeah, just get a feel for it.
You on these? No.
Fuck no.
Are these too heavy?
When we first came, the reps and even the weight piss poor, but even then you've gotten stronger, but you've been able to execute the movement so much better. Trade update.
Profitable.
Ah, brother, why isn't it moving?
Marked out Asia session, we on.
What would you say, bro? What are your goals this year in terms of the gym space? Because I know that you've got goals for the trading space, but what would you say your goals are for in here?
This is my goal. Body like this. And you'll see that after this gym workout. Hey, I want to be lighter, but I want to have muscle. And like this guy looks double the size as me. He weighs exactly the same as me.
One more. Good shit.
We are profitable whilst we're at the gym. Honestly, not my best trade. Knew where overall price was going, so just got to take the opportunity when it presents himself. Could have gotten a better entry from earlier, but such is life, man.
Good on you, bro, for getting into it. I'm sure you smash it. Stay consistent.
Actually here.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Rory, nice to meet you, bro. I'm Ronnie.
Are you heading?
It's nice to meet you.
You too, brother.
Natty or not? No?
Right, that is us for our little gym sesh. Chest. Yeah, little. Chest, shoulders. Well done. Down at Coomera Gym, if you guys are here, I guess some people coming up and having a chat with us, but just come say hello. Come say hello. Bodyguard. All right.
Just got to keep the bro safe.
Right, now we come to the fun part of the day. It's got the kids. We've got all the kids. And we're just down here at the river. Here's a jam on jet skis, so let's go. These houses along here are just absolutely nuts. Like when you go on a jet ski, you're just going down all the canals. You literally just see into these houses, bro. Watch this. Look at that, bro. Look at that yacht, bro. That yacht is absolutely nuts. And then like all of those ones down there. One day. Just got home from the gym and all the merch has arrived. Finally, I've been waiting for like, not ages, but a couple of weeks. Got into this sort of end of last year. So this is one of them, and then the back. But wanted to get some merch done because everyone wants it. So we're just gonna open them up, have a look. What a mess, bro. There's so much. Medium. So you got the ambitious, the logo, and then if you scan that QR code, then you just get links to everything ambitious. But you got the ambitious investing on the arm sleeve, so let's go. What are these? It's ambitious logo, ambitious on the back, and on the hood too. Oh, this color is nicey. These are the same but tops. So this is that color, just this top. Oh, the dark greens. Crop Crew. Yeah, I like these. Oh, these are the black tops. White tops. The pink for the girls. These low-key heaps, eh? Oh, they're like grey hoodies. Grey color, like the one that I have at the moment. Oh shit, mission, bro. But yeah, those are all the merch. I think we actually have more coming. Yeah, those will be going live in the Discord soon. So if you want those, they're going to be on the Discord. I don't think I'm really gonna put it out as like selling apparel, but the team just wanted some, bro. So we got some done. Just come finish off the day. We're at Pack Fair at the moment. Just gonna go look for some few things. We've got our new merch. This one here. Bro's got that one. Ooh. Give us the let's
they're there, bro. They're there.
Yeah, and obviously the bro's got the black one on, but probably go have a look at Louis. I want to get one of those little watch cases for the watch. The bro didn't have better than Rolly on the ankle. The bro didn't have the AP skeleton, so he's gonna try and find one for me. Because what I want a Rolex, I want an AP, and I want a Richard Mille. So gonna go get the watch thingy, maybe a little bag just so I can carry everything around, all the cameras and that. Let's go. Yeah, well these are nice, like just to carry. It's annoying though.
What's in the fucking bag?
It's got a little pouch, because when I go traveling I need to take like just cameras and stuff. So I got a little pouch. The lady was alarmed.
Unlimited refills. Any of them. Coke Zero.
Biscoff milkshake.
If you want to get in shape, tip-top shape, you need to eat this, this, and this in one
bro.
sitting. As you can tell, the bro comes here a lot.
That's crazy.
So like with the risk management plan, like this month alone, I've had 13 wins, like 13 proper big wins. I've had 12 break-evens, and then I've only had 4 losses. And that's why the profit factor is massive as well. Because if you can, you know, like I was telling you about the points of interest, if you can catch it at the right point and then be able to manage the risk instantly, like all of the risk is off the table. And then you just end up, because what's that? That's 29 trades and only 4 losses. And even like the break even, it's still like $1,000. You know what I mean? Like, I've actually been wanting one of these for ages. Because I have like, you know the shoulder bags? I have the shoulder bags, but I reckon these just look classy, eh? Like when you just walk around and you're just holding them.
We're all about class here.
Yeah, just classy, bro. And then I can carry around all my passports and, not all my passports, but the passport. The passport and the cameras and stuff, so we on.
If you guys want to use my discount code, come on down to the Outback, use code PROFITABLE, 10% off your order.
Profitable is crazy. And that is us, just another day in the life. Basically like typical day in the life, except for like buying stuff like this. I don't do this every single day. Everything else, it depends. Like sometimes jet ski, sometimes golf, sometimes like, who knows? But first day in the life for 2026, I think weekly, these are coming. So who knows what shit we're gonna get up to. Let's go.